I still have all the tapes from the videos I made as a kid. Me and my friends, we were making videos as soon as we could get our hands on a camera. Like 9 years old. This is my very first camera. Got it when I was 10, I think. And within the next year, I was editing. It's not something that I thought was possible for an 11-year-old. And for years and years, I was making videos with my buddies. We were just trying to make each other laugh. And they got a little bit better, a little more complex. I never, ever could have dreamt of doing this for a living. Doing it as a profession. Really is a dream come true.
Now, there definitely were some ups and downs over the years, but I never lost the love for it. The dream was always there. To create something from nothing, as a career. Well, that's all I've ever wanted.